Click on the link below to get price. The solid 14K white gold 3.2mm beveled curved Cuban chain necklace is a striking piece that manages to blend elegance with robustness. Upon unboxing, I was immediately impressed by the quality of the craftsmanship. The necklace is made from solid 14K white gold, which not only gives it a luxurious shine but also ensures durability. Unlike plated jewelry, this solid gold piece feels substantial and has a weight that speaks to its quality. The beveled curved design adds a modern twist to a classic chain style. Each link is meticulously crafted, featuring smooth edges that reflect light beautifully. This attention to detail enhances its aesthetic appeal, making it suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Whether worn alone or paired with a pendant, it stands out without overwhelming the overall look. The necklace measures 3.2mm in width, providing the perfect balance between subtlety and statement. It's not overly chunky, which makes it comfortable for all-day wear, yet it has enough presence to be noticed. I found it to be versatile, perfect for layering with other necklaces or wearing solo for a sleek, polished look. One of the highlights of this chain is the secure lobster clasp that ensures it stays in place, providing peace of mind while wearing. It's easy to operate, even with one hand, which is a plus for those who appreciate convenience. In terms of maintenance, the white gold finish is relatively low maintenance. It retains its shine with minimal effort, just a simple wipe with a soft cloth keeps it looking pristine. However, it is advisable to store it in a soft pouch to avoid scratches. Overall, the solid 14K white gold 3.2mm beveled curved Cuban chain necklace is an investment piece that offers both style and quality. Its timeless design and durable material make it a staple addition to any jewelry collection, and I highly recommend it for anyone looking to elevate their accessory game.